So previous what we saw, right? That is a single dimensional array. Now it is multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array means we are assigning only one array, right? So dollar, this is a single dimensional array, right? Dollar ARR equals array, then the values. Right? This is a single dimensional array, right? So we are giving only one array keyword. In that we are giving a values. This is what a single dimensional array. And what is multi-dimensional array? Array and within an array, right? That is a multi-dimensional, that is 2D dimensional array. So how we can write that one? Dollar ARR, it is a keyword, sorry, it is a variable name, then array, right? Array, then in later open bracket, I'm giving one more array here, one more array. It is array within an array, then I'm giving a value here like j a, right? This we say it as a multi-dimensional array, right? More than one array we are defining in one variable, right? That type of array we say it as what? A multi-dimensional array, right? Multi-dimensional array. And we'll see the examples now, right? How to assign, how to define a multi-dimensional array, and how to access the value of the multi-dimensional array. Okay, how to define and how to access the multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, so I'm opening the notepad. Write the PHP tags, PHP, then so first we'll see the example of numeric. Okay, numeric multi-dimensional array, right? So this is numeric multi-dimensional numeric, okay, numeric array. So I am creating what? One variable by the name ARR equals array keyword, open brace, then I am declaring one more array inside it. Okay, now I am creating the value, I am giving the value here, right? Something like I will give the weeks: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, then I am giving one more array here. Okay. Array Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Right. So, comma, here I am going to close this array. Right. So you can see, right? Dollar array is the variable name. I am creating one array. In that array, I am defining the variables, defining the values for the arrays. Okay, array Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and one more I'm creating the array Thursday, Friday. This is called a multi-dimensional numeric array. Right here, index assigning is what? 0, 1, 2. Then 3. This is the what? Zeroth index. Right. This is a zeroth row. This is the first row, and this is the zeroth index, first index, second index of the zeroth row. Right. In the first row, 0, 1, 2. Okay, I will show you how to get the value now. Okay, echo value is, right. Either you can use dot or comma, right? So dollar ARR, this is a variable. Okay, now this is the zeroth row, right? So which row's value I want to retrieve? Which row? We have only two rows here, 0 row and the first row. Okay, which row value I want to retrieve? That row value we have to give here. I am trying to retrieve what? 0th row, first index value. So I'm trying to retrieve what? Tuesday as the result. So 0th row, then index value. Index I'm trying to retrieve what? 1. I'm trying to retrieve 1. This is what a multi-dimensional. Earlier in single dimension, we are giving only the index value. Here, along with the index value, we have to give the row value from which row we want to retrieve the value. Okay, that we have to assign here, right? Then close the tag of the PHP. So save as program 13.php file, save. Okay, go to the browser, localhost 13 is what PHP, right? So see here, 0th row, first index, we got value like Tuesday. We got the result like Tuesday, right? So if you want to get the same value, right, from the row 1, means just change the value to 1. Now you'll get the result like Friday. We got this as result as Friday. This is what a multi-dimensional numeric value. Just we'll just see a associative value also. Okay, multi-D associative. How to give the associative array in multi-dimensional, right? So just change is what in this format. Everything is same. Just how we assigning the value, right, to the in the assigning the value for the array. There we have to do some modification, right? So what modification we have to do there? Because here for each index, for each value, we are assigning what? Keys, right? So all these keys you're going to store it on one variable like this array, right? $arr. In the same way here for each array what we're creating inside this array, right? So here we have to give the what assign, we have to assign some variables. So I want to select $a, right? So not dollar, directly you can write the key here. So this is a key, not variable, sorry, this is the key here. Okay, this is the key for this entire array. Okay, equals array. I will keep this as a key value for first value is true. Okay, then it is 3. Okay, so okay, one thing we can do. So Monday we have first hour class, first hour web class. Tuesday we don't have web class, right? Wednesday we have first hour web class, right? So you're going to create one key for second multi-dimensional array here. So Thursday we have second hour class, Friday we have second hour, and Saturday we don't have any class, right? Saturday we don't have any class. Okay, what difference here? Here in numeric you are given the row value and the index value. Here in the associative array, here we have to give the which key. Okay, which key you want to retrieve, which key value you want to retrieve. Okay, that key we have to give here. $a. It's like a row value for this one. This is a row value or row key for this array, and B is the row key for this array. Okay, I want to retrieve what? This key. Okay, which value we want to retrieve? Okay, I want to retrieve Tuesday, means you have to do the value here, Tuesday. Okay, copy, sorry, save this, refresh this. Parse error, where okay, $array. Okay, this is correct. $8 array Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday. Fine, this is correct. Then okay, fine. Okay, and this is a value, right? So for if we consider this as a key, means this is the key, means so these are the values for this key, right? So see, I'm clearing this one. Okay. In associative array, how are you going to define the value there, define the array there? We're going to define some variable, right? This is how we are defining there, right? So dollar $ARR equals array. Inside this, we are giving the value, then key, right? Something like 12, something we are giving there, comma. Next. So here what? This is the key, and this is the symbol to assign the key, to assign the value for this key, right? Is equal to the less than symbol. In the same way, this is the key, and these are all the values. Okay, these are all the values. So here we have to use this symbol only. Okay, this symbol. If you not give means you'll get some error over like this, right? So we'll run again, save. Yes, we got the value, see, right? So Tuesday is 0. So I just change to right Friday, right? So I will not change the row now. Okay, I will not change the this key value. I will just keep it same. Let's see. We'll do what value we get. We get the undefined index Friday, right? Because this Friday we are not used where in the 8th key. It is there in the B, right? So B, save. We can see value is 2. Value is 2. Okay, this is the one way of assigning the what multi-dimensional associative array. Okay, if you're confusing, okay, if you are confusing means we have one more way, one more method for assigning this value. Okay, for assigning this value, what is that? Okay, I'm closing this array, right, and I am opening the new variables. Okay, I am just using the right dollar. I am using the same variable name where we are using this array. Okay, ARR. This is the empty index. Empty index equals array keyword. Here we can use the value now. Monday 1. Okay, 1. Okay, Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday 0. Then Wednesday. Wednesday is first. Okay, then same thing. Just you have to change. Okay, if you want, you can keep the same. Okay, something while I go to 3, 4. Right. So here, this will be the 0th row and the first row. Same it is. It is the numeric array, right? It is the 0th row and the first row. We can just change this to 0th row, and you want to access what? Tuesday's value. Okay, just run, save. Tuesday value is what? 0 we got. Okay, same thing. Then 1, this is the first row. We have having the same value Tuesday here. You can change. You can got value is 3. Okay, means here in associative array we can assign, we can define the array in 2 ways. Okay, which I shown is earlier. Now like this. Okay, in 2 ways we're going to assign the associative array in the multi-dimensional. Okay, I'll stop recording.